Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to resolve and fix Prime Video error code 0.28 on your Apple TV. Now, before we get started, make sure to subscribe down below and let's get started. As you can see now, some of these error codes, especially error code 28 or 028, is a connection timed out error. Now, this error appears when there is something network related that is causing your connection to time out. This can also appear if you haven't updated your software. So you can update your software by going on your settings on your Apple TV system and go to software updates and select update software. From there, if there is an update, make sure to download it and install it. Alternatively, you can also update the Prime Video on your Apple TV as well. So make sure everything is updated. Now, as you can see right here, if you're using a VPN on your Apple TV, or if you're using any other apps that are interconnecting with your internet connection, that can be a potential issue. So make sure to definitely turn off those before you actually go with your Prime Video and start a Prime Video. Now, obviously, one more thing is make sure that you are using a valid internet connection, right? If you are not using internet connection that is working, obviously it will not work. Or if your internet connection is very slow, it will not work. Try to use a hotspot and see if the error persists. Now, if the error persists, I would highly advise you to go and contact the support. However, here are just some things you can do. You can close the Prime Video app on the device. You can power cycle your Apple TV, so you can plug it out of the cable out of the plug. You can do that. You can ensure the device has the latest updates. Ensure that you're not using the same account on multiple devices, which can be the case. Obviously, check if your device needs to be updated. Ensure that any external device is connected to your TV. Pause other internet activity, especially if you have a lot of people, if they're connected. You can power cycle your Wi-Fi router as well and reboot it, disable VPN or proxy servers, and that's pretty much it. You can try to uninstall and reinstall the app if it's possible. However, if none of these works, you can go and definitely contact the Apple support. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you find it useful. If you did, leave a like down below and we'll see you in the next video.